the finding of enhanced colonization right after tissue culture is super important. We can't let those tissue culture plants out until we've inoculated them with something beneficial, particularly if they've originated from meristems, because you're asking for trouble. A good portion of those will definitely make it up into the flower. We know that things like Trichoderma and Penicillium, if they're added to the root zone, will eventually end up in the flower tissues. The good news with the drying process, though, and this is some data that came very recently, is Trichoderma does not survive drying. And so you can add as much of that particular biocontrol as you want, but the drying process actually kills the spores off. Penicillium is a different story. That one's quite resilient to drying. And so if you were to add penicillium as an additive, for example, Penicillium chrysogenum, which we think is a beneficial species, you may end up failing some of these yeast and mold tests because you've increased the populations to a level where even the drying doesn't reduce population.